Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are going to try something. I did a little digging on the interwebs about mounting a CTS monitor not on your windshield. And we're going to attach this guy. This is a ram mount, 1-inch ball I believe. And it's got 2 holes. And we're gonna put that guy right in here, and then this guy will attach to that, and then this guy is what the monitor slides onto. So I'll figure out a way to prop this up and see if we can figure this out. Alrighty, so I made a little mark already. This is kind of nerve-wracking on a guess. We're just gonna drill a fucking hole right into my car. So supposedly on the internet, this handle is very thick. I just don't want to accidentally go through to the other side. Oh yeah. Feels like it bites in pretty good. The monitor doesn't weigh much, so I don't think we're gonna have an issue there. That seems pretty sturdy. I'll post the links. I got all this stuff on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. This piece was probably the most expensive, but I want to say it was under 20 bucks. And then this goes on here. That goes on there. You snug it up. And we'll take the monitor, slide it on. Snug it down. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna be a fan. I wasn't really a big fan of the windshield mount. So here's what it looks like all together. Let's pull this out. So it just slides right on, just like the normal monitor mount. You can only really see it when the door's open. Once the door's closed, it looks like a pretty clean install. It's very sturdy. I'll probably end up throwing a zip tie up here, something to keep that there. And we'll tuck that in there. Tuck that in there. And then I'm gonna find a place to pass the big OBD connector through. I might have to actually run it up the opposite way. That's probably gonna be easier. But yeah, so that's that. Quick and easy. It kind of points down just a little tiny bit. Let's see if we can adjust this some. Alright, let me get back to you. I'm going to try to adjust this and see if we can't get it to go the way I want it to. Well, the way this thing is made, if we were able to put it that way, then we'd get the rotation that we wanted. But since it kind of has to go this way, we run out of forward travel. So I can get a longer one of these. I'm going to drive with it, see how I feel about it. But let me pass this cable up through the bottom and bring the little end out of that hole. So, All right, well, I'm picky, so I ended up using a fishing rod here. I fished a wire up through here, and I gotta zip tie all this excess up under the dash somewhere. All right, so I don't know if you can see, I just threw a little zip tie there to keep it from flopping. That's about as best you can do with that. I tucked it in, ran the wire through down there, and then I'll take you underneath and figure out where we're gonna tie everything up to. All right, guys, just simple. Coiled it up, wrapped it up in there, threw a couple zip ties. I did throw a speed wire through the firewall because I got a train horn set up in here. That's my little honk button. I'll show you guys. But anyways, here it is, buttoned up. I honestly I don't mind the placement. I think it's in a good spot. I think it's in a decent spot. It's not really obstructing the windshield too much, but it is very easy to see still. Clears the door, no problem. I'll let it do its thing real quick. I guess we can remove this ugly fucking thing. Much better. Yeah, we don't care about updates right now. Alright, so there it is. It's kind of hard to get a good idea, but it's not bad. I got no issues with clearance here. Get my whole hand and then some. You can kind of grab the shit handle. So, and the truck's clean now. No more pterodactyl shit. Alright, so if you guys are curious about the eBay special L5P downpipe, stainless steel, it is pretty well made. I was a little apprehensive about pulling the trigger on this one, but it's deburred, it's TIG welded. I don't know if you can tell there, but it's definitely back purged. There's no popcorn or nasty shit on the inside. The welds look really damn good. Not sure the country of origin on this one, but yeah, seems pretty well made. The only thing is you gotta wrap it yourself, but it does come with wrap and it does come with metal zip ties. So I'm gonna wrap that today, and then we're gonna install it in a week or so when I get the rest of the exhaust.